Good morning students. 7th class maths. We have started chapter number 12 mensuration. In 12.1 exercise we have done perimeter. We have found the perimeter of any given figure. 12.2. 12.2 is related with circumference. What is circumference? Circumference, that is also a perimeter. But in case of circle, when we are finding the perimeter of circle, then we have given to them name circumference. Means in case of circle, the perimeter of circle is known as circumference. There we are using the word circumference. First MCQ, if the ratio, firstly I will tell you what is the formula of circumference of the circle. Circumference of a circle. Its formula is 2 pi r. Now what is pi? Value of pi is equal to 22 by 7 or 3.14. Either we can take value of pi 22 by 7 or we can take its value 3.14. Its formula is 2 pi r. R is radius of circle. R is radius of circle. See, for example, this is a circle. From the center to the side, that is called the radius of the circle. If you will make this full line, that full line is called the diameter of the circle. This is the radius of the circle and this full line is the diameter of the circle, and diameter is equal to 2 multiplied by radius. Diameter is always double of the radius. If diameter is given, you have to find the radius. Then how you will find? Radius is equal to diameter by 2. If you have to find diameter, diameter is equal to 2 multiplied by radius. Now we will solve first MCQ. If the ratio of radii means this is the plural of radius, of two circle is 8:15. Then the ratio of circumferences is ratio of radius given, means radius of one circle. You can consider that is 8x, because 8:15 given, then what you will write? Radius of one circle is equal to 8x and radius of second circle, that is equal to 15x. We have to find the ratio of circumference of one circle and circumference of second circle. You can write this way: circumference of one circle ratio circumference of second circle. I told you the formula of circumference. What is the formula of circumference? 2 pi r. You can write there 2 pi r1. This is the radius of one circle, ratio 2 pi r2. This is the radius of second circle. 2 pi r1, what is the value of radius of one circle? 8x, ratio 2 pi, write as it is. What is the radius of second circle? That is 15x. Now 2 pi cut with 2 pi, x cut with x. What will be answer? Answer is 8:15. Ratio of their circumference will be 8:15. It is C option. Next MCQ. Radius of circular field is 210 meter. Now directly given radius of any circular field. Radius is given 210 meter. Find the cost of fencing the circumference, means at the circumference, at its sides, they want to do fencing. We have to find its cost. If the rate of fencing is rupees 1.25 per meter, means of 1 meter rate is 1.25 per meter, means of 1 meter. Firstly, what we will find here? We will find here circumference. Then we can find the total distance. What is the formula of circumference? It's 2 pi r. 2 multiplied by pi value is 22 by 7. R value we know that is 210. Now 7 1 is 7. 7 3s are 21. 0 as it is. Now 22 multiplied by 2, that is 44. Then 44 multiplied by 30, that is 1320 meter. It means total distance is equal to 1320 meter. Now they have given cost of fencing per meter is equal to 1.25 rupees. How you will write? Cost of fencing 1 meter is equal to 1.25 rupees. Total how much meter? Then cost of fencing 1320 meter is equal to 1320 multiply by 1.25. Then you can do its multiplication. Its answer will be 1650 rupees. When you will do multiply, then answer will be 1650 rupees. It's B option. Next, third MCQ. A car makes 50,000 revolution. Means car is taking how many rounds? 50,000 rounds. Revolution to travel the distance 121 kilometer. Means to travel total distance. How much distance want to travel? 121 kilometer. To travel 121 kilometer distance, car is taking 50,000 rounds. The diameter of wheel of car. What we have to find? We have to find the diameter of wheel of car. Firstly, see, answer is given in centimeter. So we will change this 121 kilometer also into the centimeter. 1 kilometer is equal to 10 to the power 5 centimeter. 1 kilometer is equal to 10 to the power 5 centimeter. Then 121 kilometer is equal to 121 multiplied by 10 to the power 5 centimeter. Now a car is taking 50,000 revolution to complete this much distance. Then in one revolution, how much distance it will complete? In 50,000 revolution, distance covered is equal to 121 multiplied by 10 to the power 5 centimeter. Then in one revolution, how much distance it will cover? 121 multiply by 10 to the power 5, or you can write this way, divide by 50,000. 3 zeros, 4 zeros cut with these 4 zeros. 5 1 is 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 4s are 20, again 5 2s are 10. How much? 242 centimeter distance. Means distance covered in one revolution is equal to 242 centimeter. Now we will find distance covered in one revolution means this is the circumference of the circle, circumference of the wheel. Now we will find the diameter of the wheel. What is the formula of circumference of the circle? That is 2 pi r. Circumference we have found, that is 242. 2 multiplied by 22 by 7 multiplied by r. From there we will find value of r. 242 multiplied by 7, 2 divided by 22, that is equal to r. Now 22 1 is 22, 22 2s are 1 is 22, again 22 1 is 22. That is 77 by 2 centimeter. R value is 77 by 2 centimeter. But we have to find the diameter of the wheel. Diameter of wheel is equal to, diameter is equal to 2 multiplied by radius. 2 multiplied by radius is 77 by 2. 2 cut with 2 What will be answer? 77 centimeter. It means diameter of wheel is equal to 77 centimeter. This is a D option. Thank you.